Hello reception class and welcome to Thursday's phonics lesson. I hope you're all good. Right, for today's lesson you will need the two sheets that you can see on the screen. So you need the sheet that says what's in the box words and you'll guess what pictures and of course a pencil. So if you just want to pause me and get those things ready now please. Right, we're going to start by warming up our brains for sound. So let's go through some flashcards. So as soon as you see the letter, say the sound that it makes. Z, z, z. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right. Qu, 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 qu. Shh, shh, shh. Ch, 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 ch. V, v, v. W, w, w. X, x. J, 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 j. Wobble like a jelly reception. J, j. And then z, z, z. Well done. Right, reception. Next we are going to play a game. So you need this sheet here, which has got different words on. You've got wig, fish, six, shed, jug, chick, quack, king and best. And I am going to show a picture that matches one of those words. Your job is to find the matching word and circle it or cross it out. It is up to you. So here goes. Here's your first one. Can you find the word jug? Jug. So you can pause me and find that word now, please. That's right. Jug is here in the middle. Jug, jug. I'm going to circle that one. Next, can you find for me? Chick, chick. Find the word chick. Pause me and do that now, please. That's right. Chick is here. Ick, ick. Check. I'm going to circle that. Next, can you find for me? Wig, wig. So pause me and see if you can spot wig on your sheet for me, please. That's right. Wig is up here. Wig, wig, wig. Next, can you find for me? Fish, fish. So again, you can pause me while you search for it. That's right, fish is here. Ish, ish, fish. I'm circling that. Next up, can you find for me the word six, six? Again, you can pause me while you search for it. Well done, six is up here. Six, 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 six. I'm going to circle that. Next up, can you find for me quack, quack? So pause me, try and find quack. Well done, quack is here. Quack, 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 quack. I'm going to circle that. Next up, can you find for me vest, vest? Again, pause me, search for that reception. Well done, vest is here. Vest, 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 vest. Well done, reception. Right, next up, reception, you need this sheet here. We're going to play a game of guess what. So I'm going to give you clues about one of these things on your sheet. So it could be box, chip, fish, chip, wing, king, web, or dog. And whichever one you think I am giving clues about, whichever one you think I'm describing, write that word down. Okay, so if you think it's box, write box. If you think it's wing, write wing. Right, first one, here goes. This is something that a spider makes. I'll give you that clue again. Something that a spider makes. Write down, what could it be? Right, well done, reception class. It is a web. Spiders make webs. And web looks like this. Web. 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 Next up. So can you write down which thing I'm describing now from your sheet? This is something that a bird has. Something that a bird has two of. Write down what you think it is. Pause me now. What did you guess, reception? Right. Something that a bird has two of is wings. W-I-N-G. A bird has two wings. Wings. It's got a sound that we have been practicing at the end. Next clue is something that swims in the sea. Which picture am I describing? Something that swims in the sea. Pause me now and write down what you think it is. Is something that swims in the sea is a fish, which looks like this. Sh. It's got a sh sound at the end that we have been practicing. Fish. Fish. Well done if you got that right. Right, this is the clue for the next picture. My clue is something that you eat. Which of these things could it be? Have a look on your sheet. Something that you eat. Right, something that you eat is a chip. Well done if you got that right, which looks like this. Chip. Chip. So it's got our ch sound at the beginning that we've been practicing. Right, last one for today is, can you write down something on your sheet that wears a crown? So pause me now and write down the words something that wears a crown. Which of your pictures could I mean? And that is king, reception, which looks like this. So it's got the sound at the end that we have been practicing. Right, and that is today's phonics lesson, reception. So give yourself a high five, give yourself a pat on the back. Well done for working so hard during today's lesson. And that's it for now. Bye for now, reception. Enjoy the rest of your day.